Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download your Google Docs and Google Sheets super easily step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly save any of your files onto your computer, whether you need them for offline work, sharing, or just keeping a handy backup. Let's make sure you always have your important documents close at hand, no matter where you are. Okay, let's jump right in. We'll start with Google Sheets. So say you've just finished working on a spreadsheet, maybe a financial tracker, a list, or anything you've been building. Now you're ready to download it, maybe to attach to an email or use it in another program. The first step is to make sure you have the specific sheet open in your browser. Sometimes it's easy to have a few tabs open, so double check you're on the right file. Once you're in the right document, look towards the top left corner for the File tab. That's your main menu for managing the whole sheet file. Go ahead and click or tap on that. You'll see a drop-down menu with lots of options, but what we want is Download. Hover your mouse over Download, and you'll notice several different formats pop up. You might see Microsoft Excel, XLSX, PDF document, PDF, comma-separated values, CSV, and a few others. Here, it's important to think about how you'll use this file after downloading it. If you want to open it in Microsoft Excel, choose the XLSX format. If you just need it for printing or sharing with someone who doesn't need to edit, consider the PDF option. The CSV format is great for moving raw data into other programs like databases or data analysis tools. Take a moment to pick the one that matches your needs. If you're not quite sure which to pick, don't worry, Excel or PDF is usually a safe bet for most situations. Once you've made your choice, just click on the format. You might notice a little progress bar, or your browser may ask you where to save the file. If your computer asks, pick the folder where you want this file saved so you'll remember later. That's it. Google Sheets will bundle your document and start downloading it right away. If your data has a lot of details, it might take a couple of extra seconds, but most times it's very fast. Now let's switch over to Google Docs. The process is almost exactly the same, which is really convenient. So open up the Google Doc you want to download. Maybe it's an assignment, an article, or any kind of written document. Once again, find the File tab in the top left corner, give it a click, and scroll down to Download. Just like with Sheets, you'll see a variety of file types you can choose from: Microsoft Word, PDF document, PDF, web page, HTML, and so on. Think for a moment about what you plan to do next with the file. If you want to keep editing in Word, choose. For sharing and printing, PDF is a great choice. It's normal to feel unsure at first, so if you're not positive, picking PDF is almost always a safe option that looks the same everywhere. Once you've chosen your format, click it, and your file will start downloading immediately to your device. That's really all there is to it. So there you have it, a quick and clear way to get your Google Docs and Sheets downloaded anytime you need. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, useful tutorials just like this. Got questions or want to see another tutorial? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.